EVs are supposed to save you money, but for most drivers in 2026, that's actually not true. Many EV owners are quietly losing money, and almost no one is talking about it. We analyzed real US ownership data, long-term cost reports, and actual driver experiences. Gas prices are high, but EV buyers are now facing higher insurance, charging delays, and expensive battery risks. So here's the smarter way to decide. If you drive short daily distances and can charge at home, EVs usually save money. If not, gas might still be the better option. In this video, you'll see exactly when EVs save you money and when they don't. We'll break down upfront cost, real-world expenses, and the hidden factors most people ignore. Take Jake from Texas. He switched to an EV expecting savings, but his monthly costs actually went up. And the reason is something most buyers miss. EVs save on fuel, but electricity costs vary a lot depending on where you live. And this is where things start to flip. EV insurance is often higher, and battery replacement can cost thousands. But here's what most people still get wrong. Your driving habits matter more than the car itself. This one factor decides everything. Pros and cons: EVs offer lower maintenance and smoother driving, but charging time and battery life still matter. EV technology is improving fast, but we're still in a transition phase.
EVs aren't always cheaper. It depends on how you use them.
Short trips, home charging, EV wins. Long trips, no charging, gas still makes sense. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to leave a like, share it with others, and subscribe for more great content.